It's unboxing time. Let's go. Welcome to Picking and Punching. I am the Scoundrel Rob Rhymes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, modern day treasure hunter, and a professional reseller. And today, we got another CGC unboxing. Man, all my boxes are coming in the same week or two here, which is crazy. So I'm gonna have a bunch of unboxings back to back to back here. We sent this box in last July of August, got them pressed, got them graded, and now they're finally here. I don't know what's in it, to be honest with you, man. I don't look at the grades, and I don't look on the CGC website to see what's coming back to me. So I don't know. I have all my printouts saved, but let's jump into this box and see what we get. If you guys are new to the channel, we do tons of CGC unboxings. We do yard sale content, thrifting content, buying up collections. We are professional resellers, so we show everybody tips and tricks to help make a side hustle or to help fund their collection. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe if you like that type of content. I will cover the grade to show you guys first, and in the bottom corner here, we'll keep a running tab of what these books are valued and go from there. All right, see what we got. What we got here? It's a Venom book. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's my buddy's book right here. I sent this in. I think this is from his childhood, but let's take a look. What do we get? 9.6. Yeah, I mean, he wanted the custom label on there. 9.6. Cool book. I'll be happy with that. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's 2 other Venom books in this box that are his. So I'm assuming this entire box is going to be all custom labels. So what do we got here? Ah, okay. No, it's not custom labels. Oh yeah, maybe this is. Silver Surfer #1. This is from 1987, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna double check. 1987 maybe? Yeah, what do we get here? Assuming this is like a 9.6. Oh, 9.8. Newsstand. Man. Wow, okay. 9.8 newsstand with the custom label, Silver Surfer. I am pumped about that, man. What an awesome cover. I mean, that book is awesome. Appearance of Galactus in this origin of the Silver Surfer is retold. Let's see here, next book here. All right, this is the Web of Venom. So this is, yeah, this is definitely my buddy's book right here, Web of Venom. And variant edition, this should be a 9.8, 9.6, maybe 9.6, 9.8. What do we get? 9.8, yeah. I figured it was going to be. Kirkman variant, cover B. I mean, that cover's awesome. It's a Virgin cover, Donny Cates story, Tyler Kirkman artwork here. Web of Venom Wrath #1 with the custom label. So this is from 2020. He will be super happy about that. Next one we got. This is a Fantastic Four. What was this, 280 something? This is a newsstand, so I'm hoping for, I mean, look at this back. Back looks great. I don't see any flaws in this back here. My Fantastic Four stuff, I don't know. I'm hoping a 9.8. This probably be a 9.6, but I'm hoping a 9.8. Please give me a 9.8. What do we get? A 9.8 newsstand. Come on, let's go. Man, that is awesome. The return of Jean Grey, Captain America, Hercules appearance, the formation of the X Factor begins. Fantastic Four #286 custom label. Newsstand 9.8. What do we get here? This is, okay, Fantastic Four 273. Let's see here. Back is a little coloring. Oh, it is a newsstand. I'm hoping a 9.8, man. The last was a 9.8, but I'm assuming maybe a 9.6, 9.4. I don't know. Actually, the back looks great, man. Let's go with a 9.8. Give me a 9.8. What do we get? A 9.8. Wow. Newsstand, Fantastic Four, number 273. This is great. I am super excited about this. This is the first appearance of Nathan Richards at 9.8. This is from 1984, and to get it at 9.8 is crazy to think. I mean, it's 38 years ago, so. All right, we got next here. Digging this back, Flair Ultra on the back here with Scottie Pippen. Takes me back to my childhood. What we got here? This is Venom number 1. This is actually my buddy's book with the custom label. This thing looks in great condition. I'm assuming this is a 9.6, 9.8. So let's see what we get here. Oh, 9.4. 9.4. Why did I get a 9.4? I see a little rub there. Oh, there's a little mark down here in the bottom corner. Oh, I mean, the back of that book is awesome looking though. But a 9.4. Label's cool though. So, this is Venom's first appearance as his own title. The Letha Protector. Love that cover. 9.4. I think I'll be happy with that though. We've got like 3 books here left. Let's see what we get. The back of this book is awesome. It has a giant picture of Man-Thing I have to show it to you guys then. All right, this is Wolverine number 1. Marvel Comics presents. What do we get here? Woo! 9.8. Again, man. Ow. This is... Marvel Comics presents Wolverine number 1, 9.8 with a custom label. And look at that back cover with Man-Thing. That thing is awesome. I love that he has a big cigar in his mouth. Not very kid-friendly these days, but that's an awesome cover. All right, what do we got here? This is Amazing Spider-Man number 316. Got this in a giant lot. My last one was a 9.6. Man, this one actually looks really good. All my Spider-Mans have come back as a 9.6. I don't think I think like one Amazing Spider-Man is a 9.8. I am hoping that this is a 9.8. Give me a 9.8. All right, what do we get? 9.6. I was afraid of that, man. My Spider-Man, man, I cannot get a 9.8 to save my life. I think, I just got one in my last box, but still an awesome one. This is one of my favorite Spider-Man covers of all time. Venom. This is actually Venom's first cover. Standing over top Spider-Man. Blood. It's a great cover. 9.6. McFarlane cover. So, still really happy with that. And it got the custom Venom label on this one. I think the other one I put the custom Spider-Man label on it. So, I got 2 9.6s of this. And the last book. Okay, Amazing Spider-Man 359. Let's take a look at the back of this here. All right, 359. This is right before the Carnage series. I'm hoping it's a 9.8, but I'm assuming it's a 9.6 since all my Amazing Spider-Mans have been a 9.6. So let's go. What do we get? 9.6. Man, I mean, I see one of those spine take care. I mean, I get it. 9.6. From 1992. This is a cardiac appearance right before Carnage to make his first appearance in 361, but this whole run is great. This whole lead up here to that. So I'm happy with that. 9.6, and I think that was the last book in this box. Yeah, last book in this box, so can't complain, man. You know, got 9.6 Spider-Man, Amazing Spider-Man 9.6. Got a Wolverine at 9.8, which is awesome. My buddy got his Venom book at a 9.4, and then his other book at 9.6, and then his Tyler Kirkham variant was a 9.8. So he'll be happy with those. But man, Silver Surfer Newsstand 9.8. We have Fantastic Four number 273 at 9.8 Newsstand. Fantastic Four number 286 at 9.8 Newsstand. I am pumped about those. Absolutely pumped. So, guys, if you guys like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe channel. It really helps us out. I'll link my other unboxing right here so you guys can come check that one out. And until next time, thank you guys for watching.